Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have JJ from Cocomelon, as well as Mickey from Mickey Mouse.
Hello!
Who are going to help us learn about the ABCs. So without further ado, let's get started. A is for ant. B is for bee. C is for cat. D is for dinosaur. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for hand. I is for ice cream.
Yay!
J is for jelly beans. K is for kangaroo. L is for lemons. M is for monkeys. N is for noodles. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for volcano. W is for water. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. And Z is for zebra. Very good, guys. Now let's do the ABCs one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Last time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thanks a lot, JJ from Cocomelon, as well as thank you, Mickey Mouse, for helping us with the ABCs. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Have a great day, boys and girls. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.